Tired of fighting with tabs and tables to make two columns in Word? Here is the one-click fix that actually works. You know the struggle. You are trying to put text side by side, so you start hitting the tab key over and over, or you insert a table and then spend 10 minutes wrestling with the borders and alignment. It never lines up right. Your formatting ends up a mess, and you waste more time fixing it than you would have spent just typing everything out in a single column. But here's the thing. Word already has a built-in tool for this. It is fast, it is clean, and it keeps everything perfectly aligned. So let me show you exactly what to do. We are going to head over to the Layout tab, open up the Columns menu, and select 2. That is it. 3 clicks and you are done. Let me walk you through it right now. So first, you want to locate the Layout tab in the ribbon. That is the strip of menus across the very top of your Word window. Now you might be used to clicking on the Home tab, because that is where a lot of the basic stuff lives, like bold and font size. But for page layout, you need to look a little further to the right. Click on the word that says Layout. It is usually between the Design tab and the References tab, but the exact spot can vary a little depending on your version of Word. Just look for the word Layout. Click it once, and instantly the ribbon changes. You will see a whole new set of options. Things like margins, orientation, and size. But the one we care about is over on the left side, right next to the Page Setup group. It is called Columns. Now from the Layout tab, go ahead and find that Columns dropdown. It is a single button right there, and it usually has a little icon next to it that looks like a page split into 2 or 3 vertical sections. When you click that button, a small menu drops down. And this is where the real power is. You are not going to have to guess at widths or fiddle with manual settings. Word gives you a few simple presets. There is 1, which is just your standard single column. There is 2, which is what we want. There is 3, and then there are a couple of wider options for asymmetrical layouts. But for a standard 2-column document, the answer is sitting right there in plain sight. Finally, select 2 from that list. Just click on it, and watch what happens. Your entire document will instantly snap into 2 columns. The text automatically flows from the top of the left column down to the bottom, and then it continues from the top of the right column. Perfectly aligned, no gaps, no wrestling with tab stops. And here is the really important part. If you only want part of your document in 2 columns, say just a middle section or a list, you can select that text first before you click the Columns button. Only the selected text will be formatted into 2 columns. Everything else stays as is. But if you want the whole document in 2 columns, just make sure nothing is selected before you click 2. That is the cleanest method. And it is the one I use almost every time, and that is really all there is to it. From messy manual column layouts to effortlessly creating professional 2-column documents in just a few seconds. No more fighting with tabs, no more staring at misaligned text. Just click Layout, click Columns, click 2, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.